So hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the afternoon video for today. So for today's video guys, I'm going to make another Minecraft series, but I'm with my friend here is Minecraft Plays 731. Say hello to everybody.
Hi guys.
So we're going to make another Minecraft series for today. It's called a Fazon Craft series. It's just me and my friend called Vives. Actually, that's his real name. And yes, we will play another Minecraft series again for this YouTube channel. So this is only our first episode. So I hope you really enjoyed this. And tignan namin kung makikita na, kung madami na kami magkakaroon ng episode dito. Or yung isang series na ginagawa ko. So ready ka na?
And don't forget to leave a like.
Leave a like and subscribe this channel. So ready na? Pag mo naman
Oh, and
sundukin.
also comment down below if you want to see more of this series
Yeah, true.
episodes.
If not, then it's fine. But I hope you will guys enjoy this. And by the way, we're using another mods that I'm using on Rafdom City series, and also as shaders, but with also my friends. So ready na tayo gumawa ng bahay.
Yep, let's go, bro.
Let's go. Let's mine some trees.
Yeah.
Let's cut down one tree down and let's see if it will fall if we have an axe. Nakatan ko pala, hindi pala tayo makapag-mine ng axe.
Oh yeah, that's true.
True. So, let's get some wood. Yan. Gagawa ako ng crafting table
Nice.
Gagawa ako ng crafting table. Ako nang gagawa.
Alright.
Kumakain ka na agad ng apple.
Yes.
Sheesh, oh peace. Gawa ka ng pickaxe tsaka axe muna para maka-upgrade tayo ng
Alright,
weapon.
bet.
Ikaw yung taga-mine sa cobblestone, ako na yung gagawa sa mga wood.
Alright, bro.
Ba't ka nagpa first position no? First position to rito. Bisan mo mag-mine ka ng cobblestone, hindi ako maka-mine na axe.
Alright.
Kasi
chill. I'm on the job.
naka-world edit pa na tayo dito. Puchi ka. It's a survival mode. It doesn't make sense.
Guys, world edit.
It's a world edit time. Mine some cobblestone. I will make some other.
Boom. Okay, sorry. Right. It's a joke. It's a joke.
So, gagawin natin muna guys ay gagawa tayo ng bahay muna. Tapos, tignan namin kung kaya namin gumawa ng pang simple farm mo lang muna the first. Para may pagkain muna kami. Kung paano ko ginawa sa Rafdom City series, ganun din yan sa Zone Craft series also.
I
And by,
have 14 cobblestone.
okay, balik ka na sa crafting table.
Wait, I get some more. You never know, di ba?
Yeah, you never know.
Okay, I'm back. I have 20 cobblestone.
Give
We
me some.
split 50.
Yeah, we split 10-10. Nakakatalon-talon talaga. Nakakatalon eh. Okay, hindi ko muna gagamitin lahat ng
Bro.
wood ko.
Oh my gosh.
Bakit?
Bro,
Wait.
SF5.
What? Oh! I'm balancing. Okay,
What about a fall?
okay, let's upgrade our weapons first. Get some pickaxe, axe, and sword. Yeah, I know it's sunset, so we need to be careful.
The monsters will eat us, yeah?
Yeah, true. Di mo sinabi. Press F5 pala, makikita mo yung animation mo yung nagmamind ka talaga.
It's very cool animation.
There's a 4 scrap log that I mined so that's pretty good. Another more oak. I don't care if there's is a lot of creepers will be spawning. That be
Oh, I hate creepers.
I also hate creepers. It always spawns in me.
Bro,
Bro,
zombie.
look at your journey map. Nasa likod mo ako.
Okay.
Where are you?
Zombies.
Pumunta ako sa'yo. Come here, you.
Hey. Behind.
Di mo sila
We're under
awayin.
attack. Get back. Oh, I'm gonna die. Oh, I'm so dead.
You can do it. Creeper!
Creeper! Oh, Jesus Christ!
Oh, man.
Oh!
That's pretty weird.
Alright.
Okay, nakita kita. Maghanap muna tayo ng pang flat land para gumawa tayo ng simple house muna. Get?
Alright.
Okay, game. Okay. So, Vives, where are you? Where are you? Okay, follow me. So, we naman, let's find some
Bro, bro, bro.
land. Wait lang.
1,200 BL.
Blocks yan, ibig sabihin.
Blocks. Alright.
Wait lang, mag-waypoint ka dito kasi dalawang daanan to eh.
Alright, waypoint.
Bilisan mo.
Oh God.
Mamamatay na ako. Mamatay na ako. Okay, bilisan mo.
Bro, I'm half a heart since kanina pa.
Ako one and a half heart na ako. Okay. Okay, follow me.
Alright, okay. Bro, I need food. May food ka?
Wala
I'm
pa.
rotten flesh.
Huwag mo kainin yan, mapapoison ka.
Alright, I need a shovel.
Ito na nga.
Okay, I'll make a shovel.
Gawa tayo ng shovel. Tapos main ko tong... I'm dead! Mag-command.
Alright, rules are only teleport command di sa lab.
Pwede mag-teleport.
Waypoint.
Mag-teleport ka sa waypoint mo.
Teleport to death waypoint.
Ito, nakakainis tong zombie. Mapapatay niya ako. Naglaro tayo ng volleyball tuloy sa kanya. Panakbak at knockback yung zombie. Okay, yung idea ko naman,
Creeper! Okay.
Tawa ako sa nangyayari.
Very funny, right? Di ba?
Pwede naman. Natawa ako eh. Yung nasabi mo, may creeper, tumalon na talaga ako palayo, tapos ikaw sumugod ka eh.
I mean, I want to kill creeper para makuha ko yung gun to.
Yeah, true. Okay, so gawa na ako ng layout ng bahay natin.
Yeah, it's gonna be a nice house.
3.
It's gonna be a mansion, guys. It's gonna be a big mansion.
It will not be a big mansion first.
Well, someday.
Someday naman. Itong size ng...
Okay.
Ito yung size
Need
ng bahay
more wood.
natin. Ito yung size ng... Kumuha ka ng wood.
Alright.
Get
Oh,
some
Jesus.
wood. Get some wood.
Alright. What's this? Oh yeah. Force sapling?
Yan yung mod yung ginagamit natin, yung for sapling.
Oh God, spider!
Para sa happening.
Ah!
Wait, don't tell me namatay ka.
Nope. Still alive. Yep, still strong.
Sheesh. Day 1 pa lang to. Grabe, ang dami na nangyayari.
I mean, first episode is always the craziest, di ba?
Yeah, true. It shouldn't be not boring.
Oh no, more spider. Yay. Come here. Come here, you arachnid. There we go.
Ilaw ko lang to eh, yung ginagawa ko. Simple but beautiful house yung
Oh
gagawin ko.
gosh, ang tagal mag... Oh God.
Simple but
Tagal
beautiful.
mag...
Simple but beautiful house.
What? The trees is disappeared.
Yeah. Di-disappear
Where did the
naman.
tree go?
Meron ka bang mga oak nakuha?
I didn't get anything from the tree.
Oak planks oak plugs pala.
Oak planks 10 lang. I need to get more tree. Pero pag pinutol ko yung bottom, like, buong tree disappear.
Ayun nga yung falling tree.
Wala akong nakukuhang wood.
Be,
Ayan, I got wood.
Masa
And my
sunrise.
axe broke.
Sunrise naman na eh.
Wait, bakit nasira agad yung axe ko?
Malakas kasi yung puno kasi ano to. Yung falling tree kasi hindi lang yung pang forget. Nag-explain ako, itong zombie na to, pinatay na ako eh.
I'm sorry to hear that.
It's fine. It's only me. Ay, hindi. Ano to? Ito yung gagawin mo, Vives.
Yes, what is it, bro?
Ikaw kukuha ng mga pagkain. Yung pang mag-farm ka.
Oh, yeah, sure. I'll get sheep for bed and food.
Tapos mag-mine ka ng mga seeds para may seed tayo makakuha.
Seeds?
Para may farm tayo.
Alright, bet. Oh god, ang lagging.
Some of the trees are so realistic that you cannot mine properly.
Wait.
Ako na yung kuha ng mga wood. Tapos na yung bahay, di ko siya tapos yun. After natin gawin yung parang pagkain tsaka yung bahay, mag-mining na tayo.
Sure. I'm looking for sheep, pero there's not I don't see much in this perimeter.
Yeah, may axe died.
Oh boy. I have apples. We can get apples. Oh, I have one wool na pre. One wool, pero
Nice.
we need 5 more.
Anong
to
color
make
yan?
2 bed.
Anong
White.
color? Okay, yeah. Okay. Hindi ko man nagagawin nyo pa yung may glass. Mamaya na yan.
We should make some storage system.
Kaya ko lang gawin yan. Problema lang, before natin muna gawin yung storage system, mag-farm muna tayo sa cave, tapos gawa tayo ng iron farm nun.
Yeah, we need coal. Important fuel source.
Yeah, true. Tapos gawa tayo ng, gawa tayo ng iron farm. Automatic iron farm.
Yes, automatic iron golem, torch, killer, whatever.
Yung ginawa ko nga, ganun din gagawin natin. So far the house is kinda good. Magmamine muna ako ng cobblestone para may axe ako ulit.
Just getting a few resources lang.
Bigyan mo na sa akin yung logs.
Alright, here's one stock.
Damn. Dami mo na mine. Okay, ready dito yung chest.
Alright, thanks. Time to put some junk, rotten flesh. 4 slugs. We need so much. Ooh, wow, these branches look so nice.
Yan yung kapag ganinang branches ng mga mamaganda, be careful ka dun. Dahil yan mga mayap kukun.
Falling, hey.
Pero ang ganda no, nakita mo talaga nahuhulog yung puno.
Oh. Wala akong nakuha ng kado dyan.
Konti lang nagbibigay sa'yo yun usually.
Tapos, my axe broke again. Yahoo!
Kapag yan gagamitin natin, wag na yan muna.
Alright, I need to make iron axe. I have no iron, so that's a big problem.
Mamaya natin gawin yan. Okay. Wait. Kung ganito yung bahay natin, gawa ko ng second floor sa mga malaking projects.
Yeah, for the big projects like building a mansion.
Yep.
Ooh, chicken. I got some KFC for dinner, bro.
I already ate at KFC.
Alright, more KFC.
More KFC for you then.
Alright, I'm getting more trees.
Kaya pala natin yung puno.
We need more. We can make like charcoal for extra fuel.
In charcoal, di ba kapag charcoal gawin natin, ayun sa mga logs.
Yes, kaya I'm nagpupunta tayo ng downtown trees.
Kumuha ka na lang ng mga trees or yung mga logs. Tapos gamitin mo na lang yung pang mga wood stuff mo para maluto mo.
Yeah, cooking logs with logs.
Doesn't make sense.
Hindi, pwede kasi yung oak log, di ba?
Yeah, true.
Pwede gawin fuel sa furnace, tapos luto ka ng log gamit, tapos
Yeah,
maging charcoal.
yeah, true.
Yeah.
Patapos na yung bahay. May second floor na tayo.
Ooh, a palm tree. Nice.
It should be at coconut talaga. Pero yun ko ba't hindi nangyari sa'yo.
Server lag, right? Server
Maybe.
lag.
Maybe or maybe not. Okay. So, ito yung idea ko. Kuha ako ng,
Yes, and
di ba may mga wood ka na nakukuha?
yeah,
Mga,
I have like another stock of logs.
alagay mo sa chest.
Lagyan ko yung 51 ko.
Alagay mo sa chest
Yeah.
lahat. Alagay mo sa chest. Kasi gagawa ako ng torch para magmamine ako.
Jesus Christ, it's dark in here.
Grabe naman to! Dami ko kinuha wood. Oh my god. Oh my god! Grabe, ang dami
Saan
kong
ka?
wood. Dami kong wood sticks. Yum. Magluluto na ako ng charcoal.
Oh, okay bro. Here. Gamit mo yung mga old wooden tools for conservation.
Nakikita mo ba to? Nakadalawang stacks na tayo ng wood. Almost 3 stacks.
Oo, sige. Wait, iluto mo din yung mga yung yung raw food na dinala ko
Ah.
dito. Thanks. May
Gagawa
nalagay
ako
ako
ng...
ng mga raw food.
Anong gagawin mo na next? About ito. Di ba may water tayo dito ng katabi?
I have no water bucket, pero yes.
Gawin mo, di ba may shovel ka?
Yep, I have a shovel.
Kuha ka ng mga dirt dito, i-clear mo yung area na yan, tapos lapag ka lang ng konting dirt dito para gumawa ka ng... May farm tayo dyan, ng mga pagkain, yung mga wheat.
Itong buong island na to.
Yung buo na yan.
Alright.
Abang ako gagawin ko yung bahay. Lalagay ako ng torch dito. Ayan. May torch na tayo sa bahay. Magluluto na ako ng... Magluluto ako ng pork chop muna.
Alright, good.
Tapos gagawa ako ng isa pang furnace para dun sa iba. Magluluto ako ng
I'm
charcoal.
hungry.
Yan, yung isang furnace ayun, nandun yung pork chop.
Oh, thanks. I'll put some dirt in the chest, sand, and some seeds.
Sure.
And we need more wool. Bro, ano big sabihin ba yung mga signs dito? 1,000? Anong sa direction na yan?
1,200 blocks. Ibig sabihin may pinapakita ng daanan na bibigay sa atin na bago.
I see.
Kasi na-experience ko yan eh. Pero di ko alam kung ano yung nagawa ko.
Oh.
Paano nilid lang yata sa atin yung village?
Oh, parang like directions to a nearby village.
Yes, sir.
I see.
Pero yung dalawang sign yan yung first time ko yan eh. So baka dalawang village yan sa dalawang 1,200 blocks away. BL kasi ibig sabihin blocks eh. Ito yung nakita mo yung ginagawa ko dito sa bahay natin ng likod. Gagawa ako ng extension.
Oh, alright. Well,
Para malaki naman yung area.
too dangerous na kasi it's nighttime na, so
How about, what you call this?
I will wait for morning para
Mag-farm ka ng...
wood and get some sheeps. Yeah.
Sige.
Need sheep.
Or yung ginagawa kong sa charcoal na yan, gagawa ko ng torches para mag-mine na ako.
Oh, okay.
Kasi kailangan na natin na mag-mine na eh. Kailangan na
Yeah,
ng
we need
resources.
iron.
We need iron, tapos kaya natin gumawa ng automatic farm. So, kailangan ko na mag-farm.
Iron and beds.
Ikaw na lang yung tagagawa. Ikaw na lang sa beds. Ikaw na lang sa beds.
Yeah, I'll handle the bed. I need 5 wood. Hey bro, halika dito.
Wait lang. Ginagawa ko yung layout pa eh. Ow! Shoot! Ow!
Ah!
Get out, you
Where?
stupid spider! Stupid spider.
Hey bro, come here. Hehe.
Gagamitin ko yung bakong oak logs.
Where the skelly boy, ah? Oy! Bro, may araw sa house.
May araw sa house?
And
Ayan.
may skeleton nagbaril ng araw sa wall.
Sino kaya yun? Siyempre, skeleton.
Where the skelly boy at? So, Skelly.
Skelly.
I-explore ko tong cave.
Sige.
Oh, dito, dito.
Be careful.
Yan, he's dead. Elbozo.
Laugh at him.
Okay, wala naman nothing much in that cave. There's a horse. And here in this direction, I am, if I'm correct,
Gagawa ako ng torch.
um,
Why? What?
I hear spider.
You hear the spider?
There you are, you arachnid. You are.
Okay, so, Vives,
Yes.
bandayan mo na lang yung bahay, Tapos mag-farm ka na lang.
A puppy! I have a puppy! Ooh! I made a puppy! Oh, I have a pet now, bro.
Cute. Mag-adventure ako, Maghanap ako ng cave.
I got some sugar cane.
Plant mo na lang matabi doon sa water. I will farm some items for us together.
Skeleton. Outside the door.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
What happened?
Wait lang.
Okay. You're going to make me scared for this.
No, it's fine. Everything's fine.
Iron!
No?
But
Wait.
I need to be careful.
No way, bro. Find iron. Bro found iron.
Ooh! Hindi ka na ako mamatay. One. I found raw zinc, but I cannot mine it. Ow!
But I need to get iron.
Bruh, both of the skeletons are fighting each other.
Okay. Dumbos.
Hey, very good job, skeleton. Shoot. Oh. Pinatay ako sa likod.
Oh, right. Oh, shit!
More on naman copper tsaka forest gem na hindi ko pwede i-mine. Yup, yun lang.
Oh!
That's kinda sad. Hey, at least there's coal. Cave.
Come on.
There's
Wait.
only a copper. I need to have
Oh, I will make a bed.
cave. I need to go back to the base. Let's move that.
Saan nilagay yung bed natin?
Sa baba lang muna so far. Huwag muna sa taas.
Wait lang. Uustog ko yung chest. Oh! Okay.
Magawa ako ng waypoint ng bahay natin. Hello, doggy. So far, this is what I found.
Chicken. I'll take the chicken. Lutuin ko yan. And
I thought I saw something, but it's now one. You can make a smoker naman.
what? Oh, we have JAI. Okay. Smoker. Oh. Wait.
Wait lang. Gagawa man ako ng farm natin. Maliit lang muna to so far. I'm planting some farm natin.
Okay, pinanako ko tong furnace muna.
Sige.
Tapos gawin ko ay smoker.
G.
There we go, smoker. Let's go.
Tulog na
We can
tayo.
make food faster.
Let's get some sleep.
Alright, bro. Man, server's so laggy.
I have still torch in my left-handed.
Morning.
Morning time. No way!
Hmm.
Naa.
Hey, close the door.
So I already left.
Hindi mo sinarado yung pito, baka may
What are the chances of see or to find a mine shaft?
mine shaft? I need to go there.
And some iron!
Hey, no. Hey. Kailangan ko tong gawin, ha? Kailangan ko tong gawin.
Wait.
shit. Ah!
Some iron already here. I already have 12 pieces of iron.
Ba't parang hindi ako nakukuha ng coin?
Pag mo i-mine yan yung pamukhang coal dahil gunpowder yan na hindi ka mo ng iron. No, oh my god. Oh my god. This mine shaft is quite big.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Oh.
Bakit?
Oh, wala.
Oh!
Ako ba yun? Get away from me.
Baka na ba sa spider? Kasi mo, Hindi ka so, kasi yung Minecraft kasi namin pumunta doon. That's my first time tingnan to. Oh! Hindi ba? Asa? Bigyan natin. Ay, may kasi dito.
Damn it. Sorry.
Okay, so. Yun, okay. Kakon the case is next week. Hello. No, do you know me anymore? I have a different.
Hey, boys, mag-iwan.
Pero like, ayun ba? Oh, you know, gano'n ID. I need some torches.
Okay. Torture, ay hipon.
Actually, I need some more coal. I need more coal. Ayun sa chest.
Sanchez.
Sama kayo, ano?
Okay. Where's Spider? I guess Spider.
Spider steady, steady spider.
Where's Spider? Where's Spider?
Oh! Spider is annoying. Guys, sa coal here.
Where's Spider? Hindi ako dito. Okay, oh,
Wait.
hey.
What?
Oh, ay. Man.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wait, wrong. One.
Mine.
I think this one is. Oh, wait, no. Ouch. Oh. Anyways.
Anyways, nasa bahay ulit.
Sabay ka ulit. Okay. Think I have to go down this way. Dead end.
We have 42 pieces of iron.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Lots and lots of wait lang. Bakit itong ore na to mukhang full pero hindi bigay ng item?
What?
XP lang binibigay niya, itong ore na to,
Yung
mukhang
gunpowder.
full.
Yan, di kasi gagana yan sa stone. Gagana yan sa iron.
Ano to, gunpowder ore?
Oh,
What? May ore na gunpowder? That's crazy.
yun yung mud ko eh.
Hey, apat. Anti-COVID. There we go. Ah, nanasiya ang sword ko. Sayang. Ah, I have to put some stuff. I have coal, charcoal, seeds, claws, raw iron, string, irons, cabbage, rails.
Where is stock? Sheesh.
Oh! Oh!
That's a rope. Yeah, it's a rope.
Yeah, it's a dang rope.
Alagay mo
I
muna,
put it- yes.
alagay mo muna dito. Wait lang, test ko to.
And, dami mong sticks.
Oh!
I'll make,
Pre, look at me, look at me.
wait,
Tingnan mo sa labas, tingnan mo sa labas. Nakikita mo to?
yes! Cheap ladder.
It's way more useful than a ladder. Wait. Alam mo talaga, pre?
Hmm?
Hindi tayo mamatay sa spider or kahit saan.
Okay.
O bakit?
Why?
Papakita ko sa'yo kung bakit. Saan ka?
Oh, shield. Okay. We need lots and lots more iron. Na kailangan 2 armor for the both of us. 2 full set of iron. Hey, boots. Anti-fall damage, eh?
Yep.
Ano to? Cynodontis?
Yung?
Cynodontis.
Kunin mo pala yung class choose orb mo.
Choose orb, okay.
Tapos right click mo.
And
Tapos pipili ka kung anong gusto mong role.
roll.
Kung gusto mo maging assassin, assassin ka. Kung gusto mo magpaladin, magpaladin ka. Berserker, berserker. Mage, mage. Or ranger, ranger.
I'll go for assassin na lang. Oh my.
I'll go for...
Ano to mga class? Anong gagawin na ito?
Ranger. Meron ako isang mod dyan tungkol doon.
Alright. Oh, raw beef. I will make. I'll cook.
Kunin ko yung mga seeds doon o yung wheat sa labas. We got things stocks, bye. We got so much stocks that I'm going to already stock.
Hey, close the door. Remember that.
I already did it. I'll be going back to the cave
Alright.
to find some more stuff.
Oh, my PC.
I already have a gunpowder ore.
Oh. waypoint na ako dyan.
Okay.
I think. Ang bagal na magluto.
Bro, look at what I
I
got.
will,
Tingnan mo yung
I will
nakuha.
make, gusto ko magawa ng,
Blast furnace.
no, no, no.
Boing.
I need 5 iron ingots, furnace, and smooth stone.
Okay, kita mo tong chest.
Yeah, nakikita ko yung chest.
Tingnan mo yung nakuha ko.
Andesite, granite, gold nuggets, asurine, uranium, deep slate uranium. Oh, daming iron.
Dami ko nakuha, no?
And amethyst, and blocks of amethyst, and more zinc,
Sheesh.
force gem,
Yan,
and
importante
flax
yan.
seeds, ashes. Ashes?
I don't know what Ash will do.
Galing ash.
Oh, we can make a ash wall.
Hey, okay.
It doesn't make sense.
Uranium.
Kaya, yun na.
Oh, wow, thanks. Blast furnace. Let's go, chat.
Ano to? I-organize ko yung area nito. Yung chest.
Di ba share tayo sa iron?
Ah,
Thanks.
i-organize ko yung
Ito naman.
i-organize ko yung chest natin.
I will smelt iron. Kasi click ko lang. Oh, more oak planks.
Okay, so dito ko lagayin yung chest muna.
Pwede ka maglagay ng a stack of planks sa loob ng blast furnace.
Stack off?
Mhm.
Bawal.
Wala kang stacks of planks?
Hindi pwede yata yun eh.
Hindi, sa loob ng blast furnace, fuel mismo. Okay, force planks. Sige, yan lang. Tapos yung mga iron na nilagay mo dito, smelty.
Kunin ko yung mga planted naman.
Hmm.
Kunin natin to. Mga random stuff na yun nandun. Good doggy.
The good boy.
He's a really good boy. Kunin ko yung mga seeds, tapos iba plan ko sila.
Calcite, cobblestone. Oh, yeah. I can't wait.
What?
I can't wait to start a farm.
I already start a farm.
Ooh, interesting.
Just look at outside.
Oh, wow. The rain is so nice.
Yeah. Tignan mo yung nasa gilid. Sa labas.
Ooh, yeah.
Yeah, see?
Yes, I see. Ang ganda ng ilan. The ground, wet,
Yeah.
the everything lang.
Ang ganda nga lahat eh.
Nothing here is not nice. Everything is nice. Ano to?
Yan
What
yung
is
flax.
this?
Yan yung flax.
Oh, yung flax. Okay.
Tapos cabbage seed, tapos wheat.
We'll be planting vegetables with this one. Yeah.
Yup, yan na. Naging malaki na sila. They're getting so big, but so strong. Bro, ang ganda sa ilalim ng tubig. Tingnan mo.
Ganda ng...
Ganda sa ilalim ng tubig.
Wow. That's amazing.
See? Mamma mia, mamma mia. Hey, the rain stops.
Oh, that's cool.
We have pretty amazing farm so far. I'll be going back to the deep cave.
Oh, babalik ka sa cave.
Yup. Oh wait. Shoot. I think I forgot to get some torches.
Oh,
I forgot to get some
Ah.
torches. I forgot to get some torches.
eh, magsa-sunset na. Let's tulog-tulog muna.
Sige, gawa lang muna ako ng torch.
Bre, delikado to eh. Nakabuk lang yung bubong. Tapos may creeper bababa dito.
Kalma ka lang. Kuha, after ko mag-mine, baka i-extend ko yan or ayusin ko yung bahay.
Right?
You know me, I already taking care about myself. I need to take care about that. Let's get some sticks as well. Okay, wait. Before we sleep, meron akong gagawin sa'yo.
Yeah. Yeah, what is it?
Wait lang. Okay, game?
Okay.
Okay, alagay dito. Uy, yung armor mo.
Thanks.
You already have a lot.
Full set. Let's go.
See. Tulog na tayo. Uy!
Oh, right.
Ba,
Ay, good night.
yung shield mo ay nakatakpan sa akin.
Yes, Sigma. Anyways, top of the morning. Yeah.
Top in the morning, sir, yeah. Let's go back to Deep Cave as well.
Oh, mali.
It's nighttime already. Hmm.
Oh boy.
We have
We
fun.
found diamonds. Ala, okay. It's okay, okay. Okay, seeds. Where to put the seeds? Oh, here. Zinc and gunpowders.
Dito yung
Yung
junk.
mga rails and Minecraft chests.
Dito yung weapons dito yung weapons.
Oh yes, mga skillets.
There's no food. Oh my god. I'm going to farm some plants here.
Close the door, my gosh.
What else? They haven't been grown for age 7 yet. You actually need a lot of wood. Hindi may melt. Hindi may melt na. You can cook the ash.
What?
You can cook the ash.
Anong gagawin dyan?
Magiging blocks.
Anong magiging yan?
Magiging brick wall.
Oh, for building.
Ash brick. Supplementary kasi siya eh.
Oh, it's an ingot. Okay.
May belt pouch.
Oh, yung belt pouch.
Oh wait, I think we can make that. Shoot, we cannot make it.
Hmm?
We cannot make the belt pouch yet.
Bakit?
We need 5 leather for 1. There's no house here. Oh. Okay, slash TP ako sa'yo.
Hey, ito yung structure.
Wait, lang. Oh, I saw this. This is not my first time seeing this.
Oh, well,
Oh, wait.
check out natin.
Wait.
Ha?
Hostile
Wait,
mobs.
wag na yun.
Hostile mobs to.
Wag muna natin check out to. Let's save the best for the next.
Dito muna tayo. So guys, we've been doing a lot of stuff for today, first episode from this Pazoncraft series. We did making some house, we got some more ore, some resources, we made some foods, and some more stuff that we adventure. We did a lot from this episode 1. So I hope you really enjoyed this episode 1 from this Pazoncraft series and my YouTube channel. And before the video ends, I want you guys to click the like button and click the subscribe button And comment down below what do you think about this video. And
Explore the structure over here. Drop a like. Ano like call natin?
our light goal will be reach about 100 likes. Only that.
Right. If this video reaches 100 likes, we will make an episode 2 of us exploring whatever this. If
Whatever.
you guys are hyped to see it, and leave a like.
Yes.
Let us know down below.
You really need to leave a like para maalam nyo ito ano na sa likod namin ng structure nito. Tapos, episode 2 will very coming soon if we reach 100 likes or not. So, it will be randomly. It will be posted. So, don't worry guys. The episode 2 will coming soon after this episode 1 and episode 4 from my Raftom City series. So, that's all about this YouTube video. And see you guys on the next episode 2 of Fazon Craft series. Bye-bye guys. Bye-bye.